Welcome to the College of the Humanities. Today we will address the topic Ancestors of the Vertebrates. Middle Ages. The Middle Ages are a blank so far as zoological process progress is concerned. Superstition was rampant, and the belief in various fabled animals was prevalent. All zoological questions were referred to ancient authorities, and original investigation was at a standstill. In one controversy, a series of papers was published with respect to the number of teeth in a horse's mouth. In this instance, not one of the writers seems to have thought of examining a horse, but all were satisfied to quote the words of men who had died centuries before. Basic. Vesalius, 1514-1564. New life was introduced into zoology by the Belgian anatomist Vesalius, who was not content to accept the authority of the ancients, but again initiated the methods of original observation and experiment. His principal publication was The Structure of the Human Body, which appeared in 1543. Harvey, 1578-1657. Harvey did for physiology what Vesalius did for anatomy. He likewise resorted to original observations and experiments on animals and produced in 1628 one of the most important epoch-making works of all time, entitled On the Motion of the Heart and Blood in Animals. In this work, Harvey demonstrated the circulation of the blood. Before, they thought the blood simply sat there. Malpighi, 1628-1694. Malpighi was an Italian histologist who made use of the microscope to determine the details of structure of plants and animals. He added to Harvey's results the demonstration of the capillary circulation in the lungs and described the cellular composition of glands, chick embryos, silkworms, and many other plant and animal structures. Linnaeus, 1707-1778. The contribution of this eminent Swedish biologist was to place systematic zoology on a firm basis. He succeeded in listing 4,378 different species of animals and plants, and stimulated activity in this field, and in a lot of other fields as well, where the animals were stimulated to activity. Cuvier, 1769-1832. The comparison of the structure of animals brought about by the systematic work of Linnaeus led to the development of the subject of comparative anatomy. Cuvier of France was one of the foremost students of this branch of zoology. He studied fossils as well as living animals and founded the science of vertebrate paleontology. Cuvier. Malpighi. Harvey. Linnaeus. hope you've been stimulated by this biology session. I know I was. Excuse me, I have to go in the other room.
I say, Mr. Boring.
Quiet, I'm listening. This part here is so... It says something to me. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, what was it you wanted?
I say, Mr. Boring, what are you into?